आमी आसा अंजुना बिचाचेर कर्लीस क्लब आसा थंयसर आयज कर्लीस क्लबाचें डेमोलेशन सुरू आसा. सकाळी 7:30 सुरू केला डेमोलेशनाक. सगळे ऑफिसर आसा, पुलीस फौज आसा सगळे आनी हेच्या प्रमाणे व्हड्या प्रमाणान काम वयर आनी सकयल डेमोलेशनाक सुरू केल्ली आसा. हे कर्लीस एक गेल्या म्हयन्या 15-20 दिसा पयलीं सोनाली फोगेट जे मर्डर जाल्ली ताच्या उपरांत मातशें हायलायट जाल्लें चर्चेक. आनी हे कर्लीसाच्या डेमोलेशनाक जो एक्टिविस्ट काशीनाथ शेट्टी आहा ताणें NGTन अपील केल्लें आनी त्या हेतून NGT काल डेमोलेशन ऑर्डर काडलें त्या प्रमाणे डेमोलेशनाक सुरू जाल्ली आसा.
ये मैं मोबाइल मासे ये पार्टी के रहे क्या ओके सर
I am not representing before NGT.
who are you representing but admin
असं वाटते प्रसाद.
and what is the action we are taking to stop the demolition today
Demolition, we have already filed an appeal.
where
Report. It is pending for a hearing. It will maybe come up 10:30.
so you have asked for urgent hearing in Supreme Court to stop demolition
Yes, we have asked. That's the reason I have requested the collector who has visited this site. So I asked him to wait till 10:30. But I have not heard from her anything.
what's your good name sir
My name is Gajanan
sir if any
Kolkar.
collector office is yesterday order after yesterday order
I'll tell you the fact what has happened. The hearing was taken on 6 before NGT. Okay, and then fixed for an order.
स्टुडंटा खातीर हांव श्यामसुंदर फडके आनी नवसोराज साळगांवकर अंजुणच्यान.